Today alone, YouTube will have 500 hours of video uploaded. Facebook will have 4.75 billion items shared by their users, and Google will yield 8.6 billion results for the word water. In this information age that we live in, how do we find high quality information on the internet, television, radio, and other information resources? The first step is to become information literate. Common sense education defines information literacy as the ability to identify, find, evaluate, and use information effectively. Basically, that means getting in the habit of making sure you aren't misinformed or are being misled with what you search and find online. With so much information available at our fingertips, it's important to develop these skills so that we can think critically about what we encounter as we look to build new knowledge. One strategy to help you evaluate websites. This is the CRAAP test. Developed by Sarah Blakeslee and her team of librarians at Cal State Chico, the CRAAP test is a tool to help you check how reliable something is. CRAAP is an acronym for currency, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose. Each of these terms comes with a set of questions to help you evaluate sites. Some of these are: when was the information published or posted? Have you looked at a variety of other sources before choosing this one? Who is the author, source, or sponsor? Does the language or tone seem biased and free of emotion? And what is the purpose of this information? After answering some of these questions, you'll have a better idea of the quality of the information being presented. After having a basic idea of the CRAAP test, it's time to put those skills to the test. As I mentioned earlier, this takes tons of practice and is a lifelong habit. Here are some ideas. Years ago, BBC released an April Fool's mockumentary called Flying Penguins. Start with this video. Here's a clip.
Because these little fellas can do something no other penguins can. Isn't that amazing?
Now, do you think this is real? It's well done and edited well, but it's not real. It's a hoax. But it's a great starting point to use the CRAAP test to spark discussion. Another idea is to explore a variety of different sites. Find examples of sites that are trustworthy and not trustworthy. Use the CRAAP test and explain how you came to that conclusion. Remember, this is a lifelong practice. It's hard work, but it's important that you think more critically about the information you come across.